The parasympathetic nervous system plays a central role in how calm we feel throughout the day. It is often described as the body's rest and recovery system, but its influence goes far beyond relaxation alone. This system supports digestion, sleep quality, emotional regulation, and the body's ability to recover from stress. When it functions well, calm becomes a natural state rather than something we need to force. The nervous system constantly shifts between two modes. One prepares the body for action, while the other supports recovery. Modern lifestyles tend to activate the action side repeatedly through noise, screens, urgency, and constant decision-making. When this pattern continues without balance, the parasympathetic system does not get enough time to engage. Calm then feels distant, even during moments meant for rest. The parasympathetic system is activated through signals of safety and predictability. Slow breathing, gentle movement, regular meals, and familiar routines all help send these signals. When the body recognizes that there is no immediate demand for action, it begins to slow heart rate, relax blood vessels, and shift energy toward repair. This process happens quietly and gradually. One of the strongest influences on parasympathetic activity is breathing. Slow, steady breathing stimulates nerve pathways that communicate directly with the brain. This is why calm breathing can reduce tension even when external stress remains. Over time, consistent breathing patterns help the nervous system respond more efficiently, reducing unnecessary alert responses. Digestion is another key area shaped by the parasympathetic system. When the body is calm, digestive processes become more effective. Nutrient absorption improves, and the gut communicates more clearly with the brain. This connection explains why eating in a relaxed environment supports not only physical comfort, but also emotional balance. Stress during meals interrupts this process and keeps the body in a guarded state. Sleep quality is also closely linked to parasympathetic activity. In the evening, the nervous system needs clear signals that the day is ending. Reduced light, quieter surroundings, and predictable routines help activate recovery pathways. When the parasympathetic system becomes dominant at night, sleep deepens and recovery improves. Without this shift, rest becomes shallow and fragmented. Daily habits determine how often the parasympathetic system is allowed to function. Short pauses during the day, moments of stillness, and consistent schedules all contribute. These habits do not require long periods of inactivity. Even brief breaks can help reset nervous system balance when practiced regularly. Natural environments support parasympathetic activity as well. Softer sounds, natural light, and slower visual movement reduce sensory overload. This is one reason why time spent in nature often feels calming without effort. The nervous system receives fewer signals demanding immediate response. Traditional lifestyles in mountainous regions naturally support this system. Daily movement is steady rather than intense. Work alternates with rest. Evenings slow down instead of becoming more stimulating. These patterns give the parasympathetic system repeated opportunities to engage throughout the day, not just at night. Modern science increasingly emphasizes the importance of this balance. Chronic stress is now understood as a problem of insufficient recovery rather than constant pressure alone. Supporting the parasympathetic system helps build resilience, making the body better able to handle challenges when they arise. Calm is not the absence of activity. It is the presence of regulation. When the parasympathetic system functions well, the body moves smoothly between effort and rest. Focus improves, emotions stabilize, and energy becomes more consistent. Supporting this system does not require complex techniques. It begins with simplicity. Slower transitions, predictable routines, and reduced stimulation create conditions where calm can emerge naturally. Understanding how the parasympathetic nervous system shapes daily calm shifts the focus away from control and toward cooperation with the body. When recovery is allowed to happen regularly, calm becomes part of everyday life rather than something reserved for rare moments. For more clear, science-based, and nature-aligned wellness insights, subscribe and stay connected.